Hi everyone, Ryan from Gray's Classic Cars and Bikes, and this is a real rare old beast. It's a 1971 HG Kingswood Wagon, but it's a factory 253 V8 column automatic. Now when the car was new, it was optioned with bucket seats and centre console, and it's just a ripper. I've got to give you a look underneath the bonnet of this car. It is just original. Never ever had the tags off it. And you have a look under here, and it is just dead original. Now the HG 253 has always had this long oil fill at the front here. They weren't on the tapper covers like the 308s and the 253s and the later models. Good original car, as I said, 3 tags, never been off it. The big brake boosters, similar to the ones they run in the XU1 Tirana. All the chrome and the grille and everything's in good order. It's had a little bit of paint at one stage, but it presents very, very well. It's also been optional with factory rear Venetian, which I reckon really set these cars off. It looks so cool. But this is a true classic, and even in the cargo area, the vinyl in there is very, very good, and just super rare. Factory hubcaps still on it, which are rare and worth a lot of money these days. Factory Holden mud flaps. These were the ones that used to come out back in the day. They actually ran along the side of the car, not just down the front. But just a classic. Now this one comes up this week at Gray's. If you'd like some more information, give us a call on 1300 Classic or shoot us an email at classic@grays.com.au. So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.